Hi guys, here 6 plus 36 is 42 divided by 3 times 3 minus 1 in bracket whole square minus 4. Here 42 divided by 3 is 14 times 3 minus 1 in bracket whole square minus 4. Here 14 times 3 minus 1 is 2 square minus 4. Here 14 times 2 square is 4 minus 4. Here this 14 times 4 is 56 minus 4. Here 56 minus 4 is 52 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 52 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operations. Here 6 plus 36 divided by 3 times. Here bracket is 3 minus 1 is 2 square minus 4. Here the next priority is exponent. Here exponent here is 2 power 2. We have to do this before this operation. Here 6 plus 36 divided by 3 times 2 power 2 is 4 minus 4. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule here. Here left to right is 36 divided by 3. Here 36 divided by 3 is 6 plus 6 times 4 minus 4. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 6 plus 6 times 4 is 24 minus 4. Here we have addition and subtraction. Both are here. Addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 6 plus 24 is 30 minus 4. Here 30 minus 4 is 26 is the correct answer.